I really want to talk to someone about my thoughts and feelings, but I can't. When a future says more than words, please plant trees, plant hope. If the present generation cut down the trees, their children will have to face the face. Trees are crying, animals are dying. Without tree, we could not breathe. Deforestation is changing our climate, harming people and the natural world. We must and can reverse this trend. Do not wait for this. Do not wait for this. By destroying the animals, the air and the trees, we are destroying ourselves. Save trees, save forests, save wildlife, save earth. Take care of trees, they will take care of you. Save nations, stop deforestation. I am at the stage of life where my mind has a lot of questions, but I have no one to answer. You will never find peace if you are the reason of someone's tears. I love walking in the rain because no one can see me crying. Save our environment. I clean the air you breathe. I can do that for your children too if you let me live. I hope this day never comes.